अगर आप भी फेसबुक पर पेज क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, भाई फेसबुक पेज क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है। इस वीडियो को बस एंड तक देख लेना, आप सीख जाओगे किस तरीके से आप फेसबुक पेज पर क्रिएट कर सकते हो। अगर चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लेना। मैं ऐसी वीडियो चैनल पर लेके आता रहता हूँ। चलिए अब हम बिना देरी के वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं, किस तरीके से आप फेसबुक का न्यू पेज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं।
Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page and how to earn money from that Facebook page. Actually Facebook page is really very important for us because through this Facebook page we can earn lots of money if we create Facebook page properly. So if you really want to learn how to create Facebook page professionally and properly, then you can watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me show you something that I have a Facebook page in here. This is Rare High Tech Facebook page. So make sure guys you just do follow my this Facebook page because every day I uploaded video. Okay, so whatever, let's go for the process. So first of all you will need to go to Play Store first, and after that you need to update your Facebook application first. So after updating it, just click here open option, and right now you can see in here three dot line, so you need to click here and then scroll down, then click here see more option. After that you can see in here page option, right? So just click on it and you can see there is no Facebook page available right now, so you need to click here create option in the left corner, and after that you need to choose the second one, which is public page. Okay, I mean get advanced professional tools, assign access to others, lots of things you can do from that page. So let me click on that, and after that click here next option, and right now you need to choose your that Facebook page name. Okay, so let me choose my Facebook name, Facebook page name, Rare Technology. You can choose anything. So after that just click here next option, and you need to choose here your category. Okay, so if you create for your Facebook page, I mean for cooking or blogging, so you can choose cook types of category. Okay, so right now I need to choose my category which is digital creator because I am content creator, and tech tips, information technology. Okay, so whatever you can choose of your desire. Okay, so after choosing it you can click here create option. It will take some time, so wait for a few seconds, and you can see you have created your page. Okay, so you need to right now click here the second one, create content and content with friends. So click on it, then click here continue option, and there is something more important you need to do if you want to setting your Facebook page properly. Okay, so first of all you will need to choose here biodata. So choose here I am tech reviewer, whatever you can choose in here. Okay, so after that just you can see lots of things I will need to do later. Okay, so right now click here next option, and after that click here your profile icon for uploading profile picture, allow access, and after that click here cover photo. So just click on it and then choose another. So after that just click here next option, and right now you can invite some of your friends. Okay, so just select and then click here next option, then invite, then click here done option, and your Facebook page already created. Okay, so let me do some settings in your Facebook page. So let me click here again, three dot line, and then you can see in here your Facebook main profile. Okay, so let me go there first and let me show you how can you access in your Facebook page. So now go there and you need to go to here, see more, then click here page option, and you can see there is your page available. Okay, so let me click on it, and after that you can see in here switch option. So let me click on it, and right now you have come to in your Facebook page. So let me go to my Facebook page in here, and right now you need to click here three dot line in here, and then click here edit option, then scroll down, then click here edit, and you need to choose here your contact information. I mean, you can add your address, your phone number, your email address. Okay, so just give your that address, and after that you can see in here basic info. So you can see your opening hour, closing hour, and add services, and after doing that, just click here save option, and then get back from here, and right now click here add action button. Then you can add your WhatsApp, Messenger, phone number, email, everything you can add in here. Okay, so after choosing it, just click here save option, and after doing all these things you are done. Okay, so let me show you again three dot line, and let me click here view as, and you can see this content on your Facebook page is visible to others. I mean, when someone visit your Facebook page, that time they can see like this interface. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can create your Facebook page, and when you upload videos regularly, that time if you fulfill Facebook condition, that time you can earn money from Facebook page. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.
तो देखा आपने किस तरीके से आप फेसबुक पर भाई अपना पेज बना सकते हो, तो भाई डेली वीडियोस डालकर अच्छा खासा अर्निंग कर सकते हो। तो ऐसी वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लेना, ऐसी वीडियो चैनल पर आते रहती है। तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।